Welcome to MarineMax Baltimore. We're aboard the 2020 Sea Ray 280 SLX. We'll start here in the transom. You'll notice that it does have sea deck here on the swim platform. The other thing you'll notice as well, that there is a submersible platform that's able to actuate through a pushable button, lower down in the water, allow you to have a nice place to sit or get back on the boat when swimming or skiing. Move forward. You see that you have a great seating area here. These backs will come up for more lumbar support. Plenty of cup holders. You also have your USB for your phone. As you continue in, you can see that the sea deck continues throughout the boat. Once you actually get into the cockpit, it does snap in and out. Back here, you do have your remote for your stereo. Here you have your controls for your swim platform and for your power tower. This tower, by a push of a button, will actually go up and down, allowing you to get under bridges or if you need to have some clearance for a rack storage. Moving further in, you can see you have easy access to your house and engine batteries. As you come aboard the boat, you can easily click those on and get your day started. Moving into the cockpit, you see you have great seating throughout. Nice big horseshoe here with opposing seating. This will actually swing around as well, so everyone can be part of the conversation. You do have a nice teak table that can be put right in that bracket. As you move further forward, you notice you're going to have a refrigerator and then also a place for a cooler. Down here on the floor, you have some great storage in there. You put your skis and your wakeboards, life jackets, etc. Here on your passenger side, thigh-rise bolster, as well as you have dual seating here, so you can have a companion sit next to you. And again, continue with that thigh-rise bolster. You have your digital shift for your Merc Cruiser 350 horsepower, 6.2 liter engine. Dual 12-inch screens. That way you can have your GPS on one side, and then you can check out your engine temps, etc. on the other. You also have the active trim, which allows the engine to be leveled out as you go along. You don't have to worry about it. It does it on its own. Spacious dayhead here. As we continue forward, you will see you have a nice seating area here, complete with armrests. And then when you move up here, really nice feature and a great storage spot. This all folds open. And you'll see in there you'll have your table legs and just a ton of room for storage. Finally, as you move all the way forward, you'll see you have your area for your anchor storage. It's a really nice spot to store it right off the bow of the boat so you can anchor out, enjoy the sunset, and have a good time. Just tie off here to a cleat. Thank you for joining us here at MarineMax Baltimore on the 2020 280 SLX. Please stop by for a test drive or give us a call. Thank you.